Hi guys, click on the subscribe button and the bell button to get the most recent updates of the channel. Once again, the Tata Nexon has proved its well-built quality and hence is becoming a most valuable car day by day. A Tata Nexon recently met with an accident on the Delhi-Amritsar National Highway and none of the passengers were hurt. The owner thanked the Tata for well-built quality from the rear end and then lost its control. Since the owner lost the control, the car then hit the cement blocks and flipped 2 to 3 times before it came to rest. Known whether the car was hit by a truck or an SUV, but the airbags were deployed and all the passengers came out with minimal injuries. I thank the Tata company for building such a great car, and the dealer provided him with the Tata Nexon of the same variant and the same color within 6 days. The cars are proving the well-built quality by the strong hard structure of the Tata Nexon and the other cars and improving the sales day by day.